And here we are, just to round off to complete the picture. This is the downside move that we saw. This is on the stock. This is on the 1 minute, 3 minute at the top of the screen, and on the 5 minute and the 10 minute at the bottom of the screen. And as you're probably getting used to by now, you can see the trend dots here. We've come down, we're in bullish. We had a slight change here. On we go, down we come, into congestion phase here. Down we go and back into congestion. We're just starting to see a possible transition here. The trend monitor has not flickered, purely because it's really just confirming that this is a bearish trend. There's no need to worry about these congestion phases in here or indeed over here. The bearish trend is still intact, if you will. Moving over onto the 3 minute, we get a reversal here. We're into a bullish phase of price action. Little bit of a pause point here. We carry on up higher. Then we start to get the change, a bit of a pause point here, and then we come out the other side into the red phase of price action with the trend dots confirming all the way down. So it's just the one confirming the other whole time. Down onto the 5 minute here, the bearish phase of price action through this choppy period of price action here. We've had a lot of change in trend dots. Remember, this has been this is not on the default now. I've changed the sensitivity a little bit to remove some of that those changes in color. These would almost certainly probably change to blue by now. Got a 2-bar reversal here. But all you see on the trend monitor is you see these transitional colors, but it never comes to the full-blown reversal here into a bullish trend. It's simply saying, yep, we've got congestion. No darker red on this particular occasion. We've gone into darker blue, back into bright red again, then we're into darker blue. Now we're coming out the other side. Okay, now we're just continuing the bearish phase lower. So there's a lot of congestion through here, but essentially the trend monitor is still sitting there monitoring it and saying, yep, okay, I can see all that going on. But as far as I'm concerned, the longer term trend is still bearish. And this is over on the 10 minute. And it really just makes the point that the congestion phases here that you see on the trend dots, we've got a couple of them there. We're just continuing low. Then we get this very extended period of congestion here. We've got a couple of dots in here. It's still trying to push lower. Little bit of a rally here. We get a minor change in color here to a darker blue. Not into darker red. We've just gone into darker blue there, but then we carry on lower. So the whole of that phase is really described for you by the trend monitor, which is basically saying, yep, okay, I can see all this congestion coming along, but as far as I'm concerned, in this time frame, it's still maintaining a bearish sentiment for this particular stock in this particular time frame. So I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos on the trends indicator and the trend monitor indicator. They're both terrific in their own right, but put them together and they really do complement one another strongly. And it's just a powerful combination to try to help you in whatever you're trading, whatever instrument, whether you're in futures, whether in stocks, whether in forex, whatever it may be, to help you maintain that and maximize your profit potential from any trend that you get into. And this is what the indicators have been designed to do, to help you achieve that objective, which is the hardest thing to do in trading. At least I believe that, and I know talking to a lot of other traders, they would also say the same thing as well. That is the number one thing that you have to maintain to maximize your profit from any trend that you get into, whatever your market. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Lots more to come on the indicators for TradeStation. So see you again soon, and thanks for watching, and bye for now.